Hello and welcome back to our series of lessons with me, Tukur Hamid. Today we are going to learn structure. So if you're ready, let's start. Structure. This is a section of grammar that deals with the rules that govern sentence formation. The knowledge of structure cannot be complete without us fully understanding the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech, and they are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let's take them out one after the other. Noun. Nouns are words that name persons, places, animals, or things. Basically, noun is every word that names. Types of nouns. Collective noun, common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, and of course, the uncountable noun. Collective noun. This is a type of noun that names a group or a collection of items. Examples: a flock of sheep, a school of fishes, a herd of cattle, a bevy of ladies, etc. Common noun. This is a type of noun that names a non-specific person, place, or thing. Examples: girl, man, dog, book, city, country. Proper noun. This noun names a specific person, place, or animal. Examples: Yusuf, Amina, John, Nigeria, Africa, etc. Note that all proper nouns must begin with a capital letter, whether they come at the beginning of a sentence or not. Abstract noun. These are nouns that name things we cannot see or touch. They are mostly feelings, ideas, and concepts. Examples: anger, love, knowledge, joy, hunger, etc. Concrete noun. These are nouns that name things we can see and touch. Examples: book, pen, brush, shoe, door, etc. The countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted or singled out. They have singular and plural forms. Examples: stick, table, bed, box, cable. Uncountable or mass nouns. These are nouns that cannot be counted or singled out. They are mostly liquids. Examples: water, oil, honey, advice, information, etc. Nota bene: mass nouns do not take the letter S to indicate a plural and are not qualified by articles the, an, although their containers can be pluralized or qualified by articles. Examples: a glass of water, 2 bottles of oil, etc. However, waters of Finland, territorial waters, are mostly heard. Here we have S added to water. This does not indicate a plural, but it refers to a large body of water or an area of open water. We've come to the end of the lesson. I hope to see you in my next class. Bye bye.